let's consider this question. We have this square, and then in this square we have a line that goes from the top left corner of this square to the right, and the length of this line is 10 centimeters. Then we have another line which is perpendicular to the first line, alright, and then it goes from the point where the first line ended to this point, and the length of that line is 5 cm. Now let's assume that this line is S, that is from this point to this point, and since this is a square, this point to this point, this line is also equals to S. Then the area of this square is given by S square. Alright, let's call this angle theta, and then we already know that here is 90 degrees. Now what is this angle? This angle is going to be equals to 180 minus 90 degrees minus theta. 180 minus 90 is equals to 90, then we have minus theta. So this angle here is equals to 90 minus theta. Now another thing we'll consider is this angle here. What is this angle here? Now we know that the sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So to find this angle, we're going to say 180 minus 90 minus theta, then minus this 90 degrees. So we have 180 minus 90, then plus theta, minus times minus is plus, then minus 90 degrees. Then we have 180 minus 90 is minus 180, then we have plus theta. This is going to be equals to 0. So we can say that this angle is equals to theta. Now there's another thing we need to know. Let's call from this point to this point A. Let's call it A. Now given that the length of this side of this square is S, we know that from here alone to here, which is this distance, is going to be equals to S minus A. Alright, we know that from here to here is equals to S, and we already assume from this point to this point to be equals to A. So from this point to this point alone is going to be equals to S, which is from here to here, minus A, which is from here to here. So this side is equals to S minus A. Now if you take a clear look at this hypotenuse of the upper triangle, you see that this hypotenuse is twice the hypotenuse of the lower triangle. Alright, so in that case, this side is going to be twice of this side. So this is just a similar triangle. So we're going to have that this S is going to be equals to 2 multiplied by this S minus A. S minus A. Now we have S is equals to 2 times S is 2S minus 2 times A is 2A. Let's solve for A. We have 2A is equals to 2S minus S. We have 2A is equals to 2S minus S is S. And if you divide both sides by 2, you have that A is equals to S divided by 2. Now let's use Pythagoras theorem on this top triangle. If we do that, we're going to have S square plus A square is equals to 10 square. So we have S square plus, now A is equals to S over 2. So we have S over 2 square equals to 10 square. So we have S square plus S square divided by 4 is equals to 100. Let's multiply both sides by 4 to clear this fraction. So we have 4s squared plus 4s squared divided by 4 is equals to s squared equals to 100 times 4 is 400. So 4s squared plus s squared is equals to 5s squared equals to 400. Let's divide both sides by 5. Then this and this will cancel. We have that s squared is equals to 400 divided by 5 is equals to 80. Now we know that the area of a square is given by s squared, and then this is equals to 80. So the area of this square is equals to 80 cm square, and then this is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends, and drop a comment. Have a nice day.